What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how you can convert one photo file format into another. For example, converting a PNG format into a JPG, or converting a TIF or a CR3 file from a Canon camera into a JPG or a PNG for usability. You'll realize that most of the websites or softwares that we use on a daily basis require the usage of photos or images in different file formats. That's why watching this video till the end will ensure or will enable you to convert between these file formats with ease. So the best part about it is you don't need to have any internet or upload your file or photo onto an external website. Before we jump straight into it, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, since this goes a long way in us pushing these videos to as many people as possible. So that said, let's jump straight into it. So welcome back, and I'll go ahead and head over to my laptop right here. And as you can see, I have 3 images right here, and all these images are in different file format. For example, I have the first one right here. Once you click on it, you will realize that this is a C3 file format. So the second one, I right click on properties, and it is a TIFF file, as you can see right there. And then the third one, I'll right click on it and then click on properties. So this one right here is a PNG file format. So the way you do these file conversions is to go ahead and open the file. For example, I'll open this one right here. I'll double click on it, or I'll go ahead and right click and then click open with, then click photos, open with, photos, and then once you're here, click on these 3 dots right here and then click on save as. And as you can see, it is a TIFF file format. So the file name is that, and then here they say save as type. So go ahead and head over onto that down arrow right there and then click on that. And as you can see, we have all these formats right here. So I want to save this into, so click on JPG, and then once you're done, click on save, or click on the location where you want to find that file, or click desktop, then click on save. So they are saying this already exists, so I'll go ahead and say replace, and then I'll go ahead and close this. So this is the file that I had, so the one I just converted is right here. So right click, then click on properties, and as you can see, it's a JPG file right there. So I'll go ahead and close that, and then I'll go ahead and open this one right here. So this one is a CR3 file format, and this file format is from Canon. It's a newer file format. So I'll click on that 3 dot icons there, click on save as, and then as you can see, the file format is a CR3. So to change that, make sure you click on that down arrow right there. Let me say I want to convert this into a PNG. I go ahead and click on PNG and then click the location where you want to save that file format. So I've saved it. I can go ahead and close this right here. So as you can see, the photo right here. So I'll right click on it and then click on properties, and as you can see, it's a PNG file format right there. So let me know if you found value in this video, and also if you know someone that might need this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to them. And please consider subscribing, since it goes a long way. And that said, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.